Really, I'm Kathy Hadfield.
And we're showing you how to make bias tape for our leaf pot holders and placemats.
I think bias tape is maybe a misnomer because we don't really care if it's on the bias. I do care that it stretches some, so the straight grain cannot be used. This is the cross grain, and there is enough stretch in that we'll be able to do these gentle curves without actually going to a 45-degree bias.
Great, that will save us some fabric.
And I will cut 1 inch off of the edge of this.
Okay, great.
You know what? I don't know where your cutter is. I'm sorry to.
And here's the cutter.
Okay. Thanks.
And then you just go like, there we go.
Okay. All right. Thanks. It's kind of slipped. Not that it's critical. It probably isn't. All right. I'm going to cut a point off on one end.
Point on one end to make it easier to get
it
through the
tape maker.
Oops.
Okay, you don't have to move. I'll move.
Okay.
So you kind of get it basically started, then you grab a big pin and pull it through.
Okay.
Now I need the ironing board.
All right, we'll go over to the ironing board.
The very beginning, you probably have to cut those ends off because they're pointed.
Okay.
And then whoop, that slipped.
So you keep the iron right up
next to it.
Next to the bias tape maker. And this is a half inch, so we cut an inch to make a 1/2 inch bias tape.
You have steam? No, you don't, but
steam is good if you have it.
And I didn't even think about your raw end there. Might not. It'll work fine, but
okay.
Because you want it to set. I don't want to. And if it doesn't, you just can reach your finger in there, make it come out right. It's trying to get the fuzzy stuff wants to open up. All right.